Y'all are truly witnessing the beginning stages of what rebuilding your life actually looks like. I'm showing y'all the raw of it all, okay? I am so tired, y'all. I would say I'm currently deep in thought about a lot of different things. I've been rethinking my entire career. Like, I had a realization that I don't really know if I want to be an esthetician. I don't know if I want the responsibility of it, of the type of business it is. I don't know if I want to do consultations. I don't know if I even want people to like come to me because they want help with their skin. Like, I don't. And I've been thinking, like, am I only choosing to go down the route of being an esthetician because I've invested so much into it? Like school, like the money I've spent on like getting me a coach, which I did. I love the coach that I did spend money on, and she helped me realize a lot about myself. But to be completely transparent, I seen something, and I'm not gonna go into detail because I don't want to offend anybody or bash anybody, because I have my own religion and the way I go about things. But she basically posted something that completely doesn't align with who I am spiritually and who I feel like I'm becoming. And so after seeing that, I've really had some thoughts about if I truly want to keep going down that route, is all I can say. Like, I don't have a plan for this video. Like, I don't have any notes written out. I don't have any talking points. I truly don't know. I'm out here trying to DoorDash and get a few dollars, but you know, today has been a very slow day, and I'm about ready to just call it quits for the day, okay? I'm so exhausted. I've really been trying to be patient and just do the next faithful thing. But even now, that's been feeling hard. Excuse me. Like, I want to go down the path of my life that really, like, what is wrong with these people? Anyways, what I was saying was, I want to go down the path that requires least resistance. And I realized that maybe, just maybe, that's gonna take me trying different things. And I follow this one creator. She says it's like throwing spaghetti against the wall, and that's generally how I feel. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I know that I'm not gonna keep going down a route that is genuinely, like, draining me in every way I can think of. Hold on, y'all. I'm in a new area now, so I'm gonna try to see if it's busier over here. I have no idea. I'm just tired. I'm so tired of door dashing. I would really love to be like those one creators who DoorDash and make like hundreds and thousands of dollars, but I don't know if it's like the area that I'm in, or I don't know if it's like my mindset, or what the case is, but I'm so tired of this. Like, I just feel like some days I feel so hopeful, and then other days, like today, I feel completely exhausted. I feel like I've done all I can do. And I'm really trying my best. But it's like, when do the tables turn in my favor? Like, when do things stop feeling so heavy and begin to feel like, I don't know, I love my life, or like I'm going in a direction that feels like me, authentically me. I don't know where I was going with that, but I just felt like I had to say that. But I don't know, y'all. I love YouTube though. I realize I don't make any money from this, but this is one of the things that I love doing, because I feel like I can show up as authentically myself without the pressure of having it all figured out and feeling like I have to come on here and teach a lesson, when honestly I could just pull out the camera, pull out my phone in this case, and just talk. And my people are already finding me. I love the girlies that are commenting on my post and just relating with me and giving me hope, even though sometimes it feels like everything is so foggy and like, I don't know, yesterday from today. I'm just so tired. And I read something the other day, and it's like, I don't feel like I'm tired. I feel like I just want relief. I want relief of all of the stress I've been feeling lately. I want relief from the tension in the household. I want relief from financial stress, from like just relief in any way, shape, or form. I have a Bible study tonight, and I'm excited to see what the scripture is going to be, because I need some more hope, or some new hope. I don't know. Lately, my pastor has been telling us to read Amos 9 and 13, like when we wake up. And it was anchoring me for a while. You know, it talks about how, and correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't have the scripture pulled up right now, but I know it says something like, yes, indeed, everything is like gonna happen so fast that your head is gonna swim, and everything is gonna happen like in a way that is gonna basically knock you off your socks. Like everywhere you turn is gonna be blessings and blessings and blessings. And I've been trying to hold on to that. I really have, because I believe God can do something in my life suddenly. I believe that even though today, right now, in this moment, I have no idea what the suddenly is going to be, I have hope that something is going to change for me. Something is going to turn around and shift for me, that's going to quite literally change the trajectory of my life. And that's the moment that I'm waiting for. That's what I'm praying for. Because this right here, this feeling that I've been having for the past, like, I don't even know, days, weeks now, it's gotta go. It's gotta go. But I don't really have much to say anymore. I'm just like over it. And I think I'm just gonna wrap up and be done for the day, and just like go crawl in a ball somewhere until my Bible study. And I don't know.